Well, I now got the seat out. Seat was very easy, just 4 bolts here and here, front and back. Probably easiest to go ahead and pull the seat forward, do the ones in the back, then push it back and do the ones in the front, and then it steps right out. I did want to note that the retract spring is hooked in here in a little hole going up to the driver's side slide, and the pull wire comes down through 2 hog rings in the middle of the seat. One right here, another one right here, and then connects back up to the passenger side release. So probably ought to just kind of pay attention with that. I'm gonna go ahead and pull these seat risers off so I can get them sandblasted and a little easier to deal with the seat without those on there.
Download the Resto-Rat app today to begin managing, tracking, and documenting your restoration project.